Here we go. So it's between the Tayama 10-cup rice cooker or the Aroma 4-cup rice cooker. And they both have their problems. This is dirt. And I don't know if you can see it. See that dirt under the handle? Well, it's really not dirt. I guess you would call it blowover from the steamer portion. Now this one does have its advantages. A removable plug, which I do like. And it comes with your spoon, as with the others. And that is supposed to be an overflow cup. Here's the thing about this big one. Let me get a flashlight so I can maybe shed some light. If you can see in there, the bottom one is 4 cups of rice. Okay? It will cook too, but you've got to do it with 4 cups of water. Sad thing about that is when you do that, steaming water just blows out of that. I mean, it makes a mess, a big mess. So I was really surprised. I must have used, I don't know, 20 paper towels. It looks nice, it keeps it warm, but that's a Tayama rice cooker. Now we have the Aroma automatic rice cooker. And it's digital, as you can see. You have white rice, brown rice, and steam, keep warm. It's got a delayed timer. Now this one does not have a removable cord, which if you're going to set it on a counter, I don't know, cords seem to get in the way a little bit. But this one also has a spoon. And I've noticed something. On all these new ones, spoons don't quite fit in their holder. Anyway, this one you can cook 1 to 4 cups of rice in. So if you want to cook 1 cup, put it in. Put your cup of rice in. And you put your finger in and you fill it up to the first knuckle. That's the Asian way of doing it. And or you can use a measuring cup, and for every 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, basically. And for a while I thought, I was excited when I got this. I thought that, hey, someone has finally measured the inside. And they didn't. So again, use your finger, first knuckle for 1 cup, second knuckle for 2 cups, and so forth. And it will cook good rice. It is clean. And so there is my actual review. Both of them will cook good rice, but like I say, the Tayama, I think 3, I put in 3. I tried it with 2 cups, and the rice was just dry. So I put in 3 cups, and of course then you've got like 6 cups of water or whatever. And the rice came out good, but you had this spewing. From this vent all over the place. And I mean, it was bad. So, yeah, that's my review of between Tayama and the Aroma rice cookers. And if it's up to me, I go with the Aroma. And I've been cooking rice a long time. I mean, if you use the Tayama, and I don't know if I'm saying it right, but if you use the amount of water that is required, a lot of the water blows out of the vent up there. So, but it did make good rice after I cooked 3 cups full, but I've got no use for 3 cups full. And I think if you were going to use it, probably put it on a towel. And that way nothing's messy or dirty or anything like that. Put it on a towel and get ready to clean up. Like I say, between the two, I would have to go with the Aroma Digital. It's a lot cleaner. The only difference and it has a steamer basket too if you want to put some veggies in there at the same time, to which the Tayama, the big one, doesn't have. So yeah, my if it's up to me, I'm going to say it straight up that in my review, maybe someone else knows something different about the Tayama, but the Aroma, I like it a lot better. I hate to say that, but I do. Anyway, if this helps someone out and y'all like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because I know a lot of people are not. And you know, if you want to, share this video by all means. So for now, you guys and gals, stay safe And if you're in a cold region, stay warm. I think cold is everywhere. So y'all have a good one. Bye.